good evening, folks. Today I had put my Christmas decor, November 14, 2025. So busy just now. Okay, there's Lizzie Boy. We have put some long breath there in our bed. Okay, and I have some bells at the chairs. And the 5 little Christmas tree. Okay, with the ribbon. Okay. At home black for the work for Singapore. My son is at home, he's taking a shower. That's why I opened the light. I tell him to take his sweet time, okay? Take shower so I can open the light. You know this kid, ah. Okay, enjoy, folks. At home black for the world for Singapore. Our little, his bed, not yet makeup, okay? At home black for the World Cup of Singapore, November 14, 2025. Okay, I'm preparing our dinner now. Okay, enjoy, folks. At home black for the World Cup of Singapore. Our little Christmas tree and decoration. Okay, enjoy Singapore.